Kaunti ya Kisii
capacity.
Ntobwatirane na gusikia Kenya mutwe na manganaye Dr. William Samoei Ruto.
Please engage the parents. We are now in an area of technology rather than asking the child to go home to collect the money.
Omowaziri w'ekisemi Professor George Magoha gukana aboroki watu batumwenga asokoborwe school fees. Mwanji umurigereria yo mnaenda mange ngo kwarigania eriombe kingo kumanya senchira yo wikiranu omugavana omochore bwe county ya Nyamira Amos Kimwomi Nyaribo amono mokonyo ye Dr. James Ondicho gesamini go batiani wabene eri guchaka obokoreri ase county ya Nyamira ukwana chinga kiechyo Amos Nyaribo ndigabaga gwakangambya mono asali ira yo guchawikirania amagendero yo gonchoreria e county ya Nyamira muri keito job manki norbote urwaso wikiranu
without fear, favor, affection or ill will. So help me God.
Omugavana we county Nyamira Amos Nyaribo nomokonyo ye Dr. James Gesami mbachaka esabali yoko bakolera abamenyi be county Nyamira emeremo ekero baba bagotianigwa asegeti yesukuru yoboroso ya Nyamira.
I shall always truly and diligently serve the people and the Republic of Kenya. So help me God.
Amos Nyaribo, congratulations.
Omugavana we county Nyamira Amos Nyaribo nairaneli abamenyi be county Nyamira mbuya mono ase okubachora asobochori obonene.
Chinguru mwangere ne cheno. Njenkoba omozombo ino.
Ase arwa irago chikoba kolera abamenyi be county Nyamira emeremo nakobara atabwati obwanchereri bonde bwonsi.
Creation of new jobs annually to facilitate our farmers and entrepreneurs to maximize the benefits from the industrial park. My government will promote financial inclusion through establishment of financial schemes and circles.
Omokonyo ye Dr. James Gesami narwa eirago chikomosira elinde bakini ekerengo gie county ya Nyamira.
Thank the great people of Nyamira for electing us, Your Excellency, and promise that we shall serve them to the best of our abilities.
Abarayi bande baikirana sense meyo mbarwa eirago chikomubwatisia elinde aikiranie eganga yaye.
Kwa hivyo Gavana, pongezi na tunakuombea Mwenyezi Mungu awe nawe akuongoze.
Ujue ya kwamba leo yale yote ambao watu walikuwa wanangojea wataanza leo kukuuliza.
We were elected the same day by the same voters who are seated here today. Kwa hivyo ndugu yangu Amos, Daktari Gesami, tunaombea mema.
And on behalf of the people of West Mugirango, I want to thank you, Your Excellency Governor, for picking a deputy governor from West Mugirango.
Igo nabo amangana bagakoba ase obotsianigwa kumugavana Amos Nyaribo ase arwa eirago chokolera abamenyi be county Nyamira emeremo korwa ase county Nyamira inko reporter ya Ndizi TV Joba Maangi.
Na korwase county ya Kisii simbarat korwase kiama kia UDM na bagagutiani wabene oyote babuna nachie kogendereria e county ya Kisii na koineke buna abamenyi be county ye babiri bagokonyeka asensemo ya magendro murobiro yo ni gokorekana asegetiye chigosori kia Gusii Stadium na tokumanyiwa numuri kyoito Ndemo Stephen.
Aigana segetiye kia Gusii Stadium agwa somo yega moko moja ni goal simbarati umuyaga tukabire imeko
Goikera Chinsa Isato nigo chiri bucha menyi be county ya Kisii amona abageni konyora baicho irase birogo begeti kia Gusii abu banyora chinga kichinto ero luchoko gokigu na bali bae gwa mabaga. kere chinga kichiaika nigo mugavana omochore Paul Simba Arati aikera na Gusii Stadium. Omoyego yuobo gotani gukwa Simba Arati no mokonya ye Dr. Robert Monda nigora uno monachiebi na Lady Justice Teresia Madheka oyuoba tia nigo chaka bene gasio kurae county na mbemerongene na isano Kisii County.
Honorable Dr. Robert Monda, do swear that I shall always truly and diligently serve the people and the Republic of Kenya in the office of the Deputy Governor of Kisii County.
I, Honorable Paul Simba Arati, do swear that I shall always truly and diligently serve the people and the Republic of Kenya in the office of the Governor of Kisii County. So help me God.
Omugavana omutanganio Kisii James Ongwae nigai na kibuna na mubwatisiye Simba Arati engana ya iroru n'abakwani bande baikirana.
I had my own problems as a person, but I want to believe that where I tried, I also tried. Na nje tigange ndo mumuloyo musani ono has taken over. Tigama ngana siyasa. I wish you all the very best, and may God be with you and may God bless you. Thank you very much.
Nasana boigo babusiaba. Mwana utoko machinguru. Na mimi kama mzee wa Gusii, I want to say, wacha sasa siasa tuweke kando. Wacha sasa tuingie katika mambo ya maendeleo. Omwano yo ingana mwateri iyanda liyogo chenji Gusii. Momo sabere, momo lende, momo mwate loko lopo. Esabari togo chindero ya chaka. Mopanga tore, una togo chimbolini kalia kelene. Mwepange, omo Gusii omingo.
Ensemo ya Simba Arati nigateba nako lemerobeli Ongwae atigeire nchera kando na gwikirania merobeli abakagwa kirekoko ase chi campaign chiaye.
Inje tingi muoba gokora turegasi mpaka marayika igoro agokire. Nimbo atigaji nyachiane tintage tigaji account. Na kitokonya abantu baitu banyore basari. Abantu baitu banyore amanyogo. Epara Sonia Kole.
Chinga kecho nigo abaraya bachore ase birogo oime county ya Kisii baikirana na koenekia ogotiani wa kwaye Arati ase barie irayo gochakobwatira na sensemo ya magendero mubunke o South Mogrango Silvana Sosoro nigamugania Arati koenekia bunango ikiraniare emirimo yaye bunebwenerete ase myake 5 ribosio ase nonyana bateba buna nabo arachie komurusia bisi aso kumubwaso bochori bu mwaka wechi 2025 orobote rwa senchira jo bwikirano ni watu ariganire no muriketo Vincent Onyancha.
Nasegeti kia Gusii Stadium ime ye county ya Kisii nomojego omusachiri buchi abantu asensemeyo asebacha kwane kyogotyani gukwayo mugavana omocholo Paul Simba Arati aho bari no kugania konene kurwa sobo koribwaye abake n'abanene nigo baikirana.
Mheshimiwa kwandi magana mange aya twagokimna ntobasai twagokigwe
riego ria bere rituko rironge sana ande rituko ryo mogoko ase ntubuna abasai twirire yani gose twagokeire omusai tukobe governor Kisii County
bagwate ne chinkwana chiaruru yaiga igotorojenga Kisii yitonechera be mono era kona ikaga secretary ya bosongo aso chakarwa governor itenya Mheshimiwa Honorable Simba Arati
ona kira somo yega bwe Simba Arati no monyegore ugwengencho mono
abarai ao abachore nigo baikirana boigo gati ya babunge na boigo women rep nigo bairene ryambu yo mugavana okurwabisi James Ongwae ase boigo bate bambachi kubwaterana nere Simbarati asobokoribwe county ya Kisii.
Our outgoing governor, Honorable Ongwae, thank you very much for the peaceful transition. May God bless you and your family.
I want to wish you and my wife and my family God's blessings.
My name is Dr. Manduku, Member of Parliament, Yaribari Masawa. Your Excellency Simbarati, counts on our support.
I am the Member of Parliament representing the great people of Bomachoge Borabu, and mine is just to wish the incoming Governor good health.
I'm here on behalf of my family and on behalf of the people of Kitutu Chache North to say congratulations to my brother Simbarati.
Mono sana asoko wachikura chiobo governor. Avanjari are ready to work with you. We'll be coming with the other leaders to put our agenda to you as you prepare the county integrated development plan.
Maran is done. Now go to Ogembo. The last bit of the story, make sure you put up a good factory in my constituency. What we need is service delivery.
Kwa majina ninaitwa Mheshimiwa Zahir Chanda. Mimi ndio mbunge wa hapa Yaribari Chache. Sina mengi ya kusema kwa sababu ya muda. Your Excellency, Bwana Governor, songa kidogo, nataka kuona Governor kidogo nimweleze. Your Excellency, Bwana Governor, I want to assure you of our commitment and unwavering support despite our political affiliation.
Omubunge o South Mogrango Silvanasio Soro gweterase kiama kia UDA nigamo manyara tibuna onya taligo chiko ikirania chire chiri yaberga koria nigo Soro ago chiko bomo governor asobo choli wa 2027.
All the multitudes that you see here are about hope. They want to see change in Kisii. They want to see things flowing. They want to see you doing things extraordinary. They want to see bursaries. They want to see roads. They want to see employment opportunities. Actual employment opportunities, visible ones. And once you do that, trust me, in 2027, you'll have no competition. But if you don't do that, 2027, I'll compete with you, and I need you if you don't do that.
Soro boigoni gama nyarati buna nachi kumubwatane na William Ruto buna omuraibwense.
But if it goes to William Ruto, you must support William Ruto so that we proceed together. And me, as the chief whip of the National Assembly, I'll make sure I connect you there so that we progress together. William Ruto is the president, and you must accept that. Thank you very much. God bless you. William Ruto, your rise. Asante sana.
Ikoja bere mugoko gochesa manyibe county ya Kisii aseri tukolero asomo yogo munyene obere gokoleka na igaseke tiki ya kuti stadium abwase oyo mugabana gwe county ya Kisii oyo bono mugabana motore Paul Simbarati abere kagotia ni wali tukolya lero nakolia ira yogo chigo koremeremo amanyibe county ya Kisii ekyo batigata nono kuikirana mange ase county ya Kisii abwase mugabana gwe county ya Kisii Paul Simbarati atero na kuikirana mange ase emiaka irobosio na Tinika Temruna, Ganga ya Damu Chikonyana, County ya Kisii, Aseka Kia miaka 10 erebosio, Anaya Bakoleka na Siri Chikonyalero, Koripoteri ya Ndizi TV Koru, Aseka Tikia Upisadama, Imeye County ya Kisii, Etirane Nchenkoro kwa Vincent.
Tukotikana nayo ni gomo bungomo chore webunge ya Bonchari Charles Onchoke litukurarera bagakumira na ba MCA kurwa City World Chance mebunge ya Bonchari eriko kwanera igoro yoko bwatrana nabo igokwenekia magendro asomo menyi webunge ya Bonchari muri keito Brighton Makori na tualganiriti roboti urwa senchira yobuime
abarai bali bachorwa kurwa sebunge ya Bonchari bakurawa no mwembi omochore Charles Onchoke amo na ba MCA bane kurwa segodi ya Morenda Ogyakum Uliana na Umariba nigobono bachiramo ilikwene kibinanga kibao chikosira emerubuli magendero asebunge ya Bonchari
mono sana so twegena watawa egasiye twayebolete mugatorigere mugateba into mokwa bya mono sana ento kwa ene kalinga kigasi koje korotore kuwatikane chingu gyoto this time chito
baukwana ekero baumirana nigobono batebiruna inere njira yemo bawuchukwene kina ngokora bare mirimo
and tuwansire bwana abandi bonse bamitunda ba MCA bechugo cheti yonsinya ngamotore tubona ngamoto chukungusera tokonye mechando muncha ntomaite mechando ya bonchari menge sana wana yitu watu watigasi amacheta iyo chiskuru cheto njiri chindonge oli wetu wachirense
gatebruna inere njira yemo bawuchukubwaterana na MCA bonzi ikoleta magendero ase ensemo eyo
tochukubwaterana na MCA chwakuri insa egese county na nchengende garisa serikali yegoro na alete bintu byabamo byakonye kinyuru
Ismail Matundura no MCA obugyakumu oyibona otogiri engane eyo
tuachamo una leadership ya bonjali tokongoswa na oyo mindo daktari Onjoke ambaye oyo oremo omweshimiwa ochore tukuru bonjali no gocha gwaito amo tuachire buna abarayiba bonjali linde kuligerera ngakito wanse meremo tole amo kuruma guys to arure mangana ya taraba toracha muchumbe tana gocho gutobeka amo kulende ndagitente ngakero mweshimi wetu ngambuye kyagara na ero turangeli aba MCA baye bonse bane buna tura na inderende twagwananire twabikire mirobiri ngakito chigokora kolera abana inchi babonchali emeremese miaka etanere mutwe
Dismas Trisanere kurwase wodi ya Umariba ni gatogiri abamenyi benseme yo anekraba mochora
twankira ninase geisaranso twabwate ngane kene kere turabamo na rituragende bosio iko toigwana kwa kauri moja tubwatira ne gasi bono mochumbo ito na into muna ba MCA baye egere togendi bonchali ito kogendra bosio no nyenkendo tutari kusaba kurwandonsi twagesaba turahamo muno monchali
John Ombati nere ore MCA we wodi ya Mulenda ni gateberuna ogo chamo no mojumbe bwenseme yo ni gobono kuraji kwenda kibuna ngora bare miroberio elio MCA arakore no mubungara kore ase ensemo yo
hatutaki ile mambo yenye imekuwa ikitokea unakuta MCAs wanafanya mambo yao kando mjumbe anafanya mambo yake kando hata pasa tumeelewana tumesema pasa tukifika wakati wa pasa tutakuja kukaa pamoja mjumba akipeana tuone kama atapeana kuanzia colleges na university alafu na sisi tupeana kwa secondary school hapo ndio tunaweza saidia watu wetu wa Bonchari
Umwando Victor no MCA kurwase wodi ya Aliana nero teberuna okubwaterana ni gogochikwende kiwa
we have sat for 4 hours discussing issues touching Bonchari and we have agreed that from now on we shall work together.
Godipoteri egetaseni Candice TV kurwase bunge ya Bonchari iridariane Brighton Makoli
Muwaziri w'ekisemi Professor George Magoha nigagendete kuboria aborokia kweneke bunati bali kubaseria aborokiwa kubwatikana no kuborwa we school fees okwana chingaki aikirana ase school secondary ya senior chief Nyandusi yotoka chinsemo cyake gati imeye county ya Kisii nigo ateba buna county ya Kisii yaberege gwikia kerengo kemeronke 5 na isato igoreye mia ase obwagachi bwebirasi bya CBC askiri ateruna nigo barachikogendera gusira umurobero bwa masomo imense ya Kenya roboti urwasobo imeni gotwarganire no muri keito Josephat Amisi
County ya Kisii nigo yakiranire ekerengo kemerongo 53 asemia asobwa gachwe birasi ebirigerete ko chigokirania omuroberi obuye bw'ekisemi CBC ayangorengana no mwaziri w'ekisemi Professor George Magoha
among the counties that is holding us back, and that's why we are here with our team. Regional Director of Venezuela is here with us. I'm being told that now we are at 80%, which is still below the average, which is now approaching 90%. We intend to complete this exercise by Friday next week, so that I can also rest like others are resting.
Professor George Magoha nigo yakwanaya ikero atarira eskuru ya senior chief Musa Nyandusi kekati asaba iganyara ko bagakora omuyega bwoko igore birasi ebibyanyare ko abikoga cyo gwikirania omurobelyo yo niko Professor Magoha airari bageri ko bakera bali mwambia mono asaba igo anyara ko bakohikeria abalimu abanene b'ekisukuru abagende to ko bagotuma abana chinga eligo chukuya school fees.
Our teachers can be compensated enough for what they do. I think we leave that to God Almighty, because if it was compensation that they required, then perhaps the government would not be able to compensate them. Totally wrong and misdirecting to say that all the children are being sent home because government is not giving money. The government, which is being led by His Excellency President Uhuru Kenyatta, has ensured that money due to children for capitation is in schools as and when it is required. And I have said very, very firmly that it is proper and just for us to ensure that we do what essentially the President has directed us to do.
Nonyeramo igoriye nibo eye serikali enene kubwatuka guchikogora ebitabu byo gosoma. Professor Magoa nigo atabire serikali yanyaltoko bagikwera libagelyo na kweneke ngaya nyale ko bagikogora ebitabu na boigo ko bitoma gocha ase chiskuru ao.
Yeah, a little bit of noise that we are retaining textbook money. Of course we are retaining textbook money because we are providing textbooks at the ratio of 1:1. So remove politics. Take a good look at me and see whether I fit a political party. I don't fit any, and I don't intend to fit any. I'm just a worker, a professional worker for that matter. So that money, while we are still under the leadership of President Kenyatta, will be retained. What people should be asking us is, are books in schools? Are our children having books on the ratio of 1:1? And the answer is yes.
Kuripoteria Ndizi TV Korwe County ya Kisii Eliterane Josephat Amisi.
Omurayo munene bw'ensomo chore Dr. William Samoei Ruto ni aikirana asensemo ya KCC memuchu Nairobi iriokoenekia ogotianuwa kumugavana we county ya Nairobi Johnson Sakaja gukwana chinga kiechio Ruto nigo abakira ngambia mono abakchukura bonsi na otana nigo bawchokobwaterana na baraya bachore iriokoenekia amagendera biriga kororokana imeyense ya Kenya. Frida Kerbo na manke
Ritu korerero nigo muyiga bwogotiania abagavana okorekana ase enseito ya Kenya. Abagavana 45 nigo batianigwa na kwererigwa obugambi iligosoa abisi na gochaka emirimo. Ime county ya Nairobi nigo morobili yokorekana ime ya KICC ase omugavana Johnson Arthur Sakaja atianigwa.
Sakaja Arthur Johnson do swear that I shall always truly and diligently serve the people and the Republic of Kenya in the office of Governor of Nairobi County, that I shall diligently discharge my duties and perform my functions in the said office.
Chinga kiechio boigo omokonyo ye James Mshiri nigatianigwa ase ogochikobwaterana na Sakaja erikoene kibuna baletire amagendero ime county ya Nairobi.
I, James Njoroge Mushiri, do swear that I shall always truly and diligently serve the people and the Republic of Kenya in the office of the Deputy Governor of Nairobi County, that I shall diligently discharge my duties and perform my functions in the said office.
Orai omochore ogatano bwense nigo aikerana ase chinsemecho na kumoiraneri mbia mono Sakaja ase okubwatranere chingaki chiobochori.
Let me join the people of Nairobi in congratulating you, Governor Johnson Sakaja, your deputy and your team for a wonderful election period that I shared with you and many other Nairobians and Kenyans.
Igonigo agokera abagavana bonsi bale gotianigwa lero anene mono abasubati batano na babere ase kirugekyo ky'obugavana.
Allow me to pass very special congratulations to the women elected governors of the Republic of Kenya.
Nigo ali eirago chikobwatana na bagavana bonsi ase kerengo kerengaine iliokoleta amagendero ase chi county ase boigo aeneki obekire emerobelio iliokoeneki onsi aikeranire.
Pledge that the government of Kenya, the national government of Kenya, will work with all the governors of Kenya in making Kenya a great nation.
Boigo nigo aerera okwegena kwae ase Sakaja iliokoleta amagenderero.
I want to tell you, my friend and brother, that we will work with you. We have confidence in you. We are proud of you. And we know the great city of Nairobi has the best that it can get in terms of governance.
Frida Kerubo, Ndizi TV.
Chinga kia chionigo abagavana bande kurwa Sech County chionsi go Sech County emeronkene na isano na baraba bagotianiwa abene irigo chakurwa bokorerwa cyase abananchi no muri keto Sara Nyarangi Ontita nigatwariganiye oroboti oro kubatkana no gotianiwa kwa abagavana kurwa Sech County au
chitariki emeronge bere na isano nigo chabege twensemo eliokoba echiabene asaba gavana amana bakonyi babo kurwa Chi County emerongene na isano abo bachorwa asobocholi bwaera bwangoiga kulia chira chiabo choko cha kemeremo buna abagavana bene nigo batianigwa bosyo bwabamenyi aseboigo bateba bagocha gwikirania onsi asegeka kimyaka 5 erebosyo abaigangati y'abagavana balia chira omubasolero Paul Otuma kurwe kaunti ya Busia, Kawira Mwangaza kurwe kaunti ya Meru, James Orengo kurwase kaunti ya Siaya, Susan Kihika kurwe kaunti ya Nakuru, Ann Waiguru kaunti ya Kirinyaga, Irungu Kangata kaunti ya Murang'a, Kilonzo Junior Omakueni, Profesa Anyang' Nyong Kisumu, Dadho Godhana Tana River, ngati ya bagavana emerongo enena batano au batianiwa asebiti au ime ya Kenya nechi na chochira chiabo.
Dr. Tuoma Paul Nyongesa, having been elected as the governor of the county of Busia, do hereby confirm that I have read and understood the Leadership and Integrity Act number 19 of 2012.
Fear, favor, affection, or ill will. So help me God.
Constitution and the laws of Kenya without fear, favor, affection, or ill will. So help me God.
And perform my functions in the said office, and that I will do justice to all in accordance with the Constitution and the laws of Kenya without fear, favor, affection, or ill will. So help me God.
In accordance with the Constitution and the laws of Kenya without fear, favor, affection, or ill will. So help me God.
Supply reliable water to every homestead by rehabilitating and augmenting existing water schemes.
The public good, not just the self-good.
Perform my function in the said office.
That I shall diligently discharge my duties and perform my functions in the said office.
Honorable Dado Gadai Godana.
So it is now clear to
Sara Nyarangi Ontita, Ndizi TV.
Oyo rengo mugavana we county ya Homa Bay Cyprian Awiti niga muborire Gladys Wanga oyo service muno mugavana kubwatira nabarayibande kurwase county ya Homa Bay eriyo goikirania amagendro yechingencho au Awiti nigo boigo aorokyo kwegena kwaye buna awanka nachie kubwatira na usena chikogenderia emirobereria abete ka gutigeranchira.
I have done my part. But I believe, and I told the incoming governor when we met with her on Friday last week in Nairobi. I told her, and I want to repeat, because I was a party to this success, I would like her to do much better than what I did. I will be very happy. I'll be so happy. Because if he does not do that, I will be accused by the Homa Bay people. What did you do, Cyprian? And I'm confident, beyond any sort of doubt, that these two teams, these two men, a woman and a man, will make a big difference in Homa Bay County. Supported by the senator, supported by Moses, our senator. The senator is very key to the success of this place.
Mwanche mulgere libono ekero abagavana emeronkene na batano baba gutiani weriwo chakobokoreri bwabokorwase gosiase abananchi kurwase kaunti ya Kisii ni gona kumanya buna Paul Simbarati nere obaka gosinero baka gochoro bnu mugavana ase kaunti ya Kisii uyo baka gutiani wabena na kurira yo gocha gokorera abananchi emeremo. Simbarati ni gabero mugavana kabere ase kaunti ya Kisii magega ayo mugavana kabera Roro James Onkwa ekora kaunti ya Kisii asegeka miaka 10 no mugano yebene nigo twariganire no murikyo ito Steven Ndemo akorwa chingaki abeteka gochaka siasa chiayane ne korwa chingaki abeto mubungo Dagoret North na bono o chorire koba omugavana we county ya Kisii.
Paul Simba Arati. Nero mugavana kabiro mochore bwe county ya Kisii asobonge bwe chikura charareti gune kiombe kyobo chori ne chimbebe kia IEBC kolende omugano Simba Arati norori ngoko sabo ikaranse otegerere nkomanyie Yomondo wabanto mumurabeli zozokire Oyonzi bara yomondo wabanto mumurabeli zozokire Aye Simba no mole mwakaborie Niga iboletwe myaka 40 ya etire nsemo yabo basi chitariki 20 na Isato omutenyo 11 omwaka bweli bweyemo chimikianda na 53 no yomo 1981 Niga ikaransere tamate mwa KCP omwaka 1994 no mwaka kubwati agasoya secondary ya Nyamache kulenda gakolera Suneka Secondary School asa kolete KCSE omwaka 1998 omwaka bwechiri bwibere yemo Arati niga asomerete diploma yobutalia se Kenya Polytechnic wiko mwaka bwechiri bwibere na Isato gati yo mwaka bwechiri bwibere na inye goika mwaka bwechiri bwibere na isano nemo niga chieto mochio Guangzhou China gosomere degree yo bonchereri ya business management kare ime China no anyoleto mosbatio yuanchete na komonyoma na nigo baseseniri na abana babere
Masase asegetunwa masase aninyamcha akobara ebirubo asopori sobuya abantu banyasa biamone naende ankroko kwambo kasimba biamono nyasa abasisini
mono nyorule sobo mpako mayireke gusi no mwana ono arega tata edukwana kigusi
umwaka bwechiri bwibere na 15 niga sweta se University ya Jaramogi Oginga Odinga na gosomera mangana yo bwamate bwechinse International Relations ase kerengo kia masters asobo koleri niga beto moteneri bwe company ya AIPA Safaris Limited kuri umwaka bwechiri bwibere na 4 goiko umwaka bwechiri bwibere na 5 na ibere
Omonda mongurera tata Simba tinganera koire kiara mochani mobwaza ngomori muno mosie chani kweitingaga kinya saore iguru
gati yo mwaka bwechiri bwibere na 5 na Isato goiko mwaka bwechiri bwibere na 12 Arati niga atwale tobokoreri bwaye ase Nairobi City Council buno mo councilor Simba Arati niga sabite chikura ime bunge ya Dagoret North omwaka bwechiri bwibere na 13 ekiroga bwete na gokoimo kinendo mwaka bwechiri bwibere na 15 na ibere ase ntunda ya kabere.
It's only that I wanted to do a follow-up on what my chairman said, but I want to welcome you to Dagoret North. Dagoret North, you are at actually Kawangware. Just if I wanted 2, 3, 4,000 people, can only call them, they are around here. Hakuna kutolewa mbio. Just to celebrate with us. Today it happens also is my birthday, and I'm a happy man that we are launching Chungwa House. and celebrating it too.
Nigabeiro mbwatani bwange bwe kiama kia Orange Democratic Movement ODM omo bwazimio na Raila Amolo Odinga. Niga begete benega ngayo kuligi kerugo kyobo governor ime county ya Kisii ase campaign ya watachira chokoleto burai obo ya ime ya Kisii na sabaga komo chobo kole libwe serikali ya James Ongwae.
Umuga kongeri naro chiko kwan mote yanga ki ho aya no muliro wa masaka onye mwebire chinko mwakolere amasaka utako yekebitu mwebire chinko chene gitani mwebire chinko chepara ebitugi biriye binene bye dispensary mwebire ichiama mo wanja amasaku abeli amati junto bwati segina montonde bwensi kitu talie kanisa kanisa nero yoke watanga ki montoka wake side ye onjule side mwanjo mondatu wake side onjule side
obo buibwa yobone na sobo choli bwerere nigo ya ene kiri Simbarati nere governor mochoro kabere bwe county ya Kisii oyu abange base mereti naleta maonjeri ali abakagoteba asechi campaign. Eli Italiane Ndemo Steven
Miyamo na umurike itonde mo Stephen na soroboti ururikiranu kwa watkana numugano ye umugavana be county ya Kisii Simbarati wekiraga yomanchi umurigere nongo korera Amayia Chinsa Isato asenchera ere yobekiranu miyamo na sogo chora ko bananchi we komoero bali bonse baba kwatera nanche kwene kia buna onsi ya wekere na barabni gonko bakira ngambia muno yendra kutobwatia sensemo ya YouTube Ndizi TV News sensemo ya Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital waigo na bogo tonyora ase website yaito www.ndizitv.or.ke eri togendere gusanga na yabang amanki nguko kanerio bulire liborobia na boigo obotkoboro boterero we karitkoria ankyo hiritariane Evelyn Osero urtuka kubatira nere kwenekia agoikeira sensemo imanyererio niga korokwa Joshua Auta.